Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of my channel. So today's video, I will do unboxing. So dumating po itong box kahapon, yung parcel kahapon. So today ko lang po siya i-unbox. So samahan niyo po ako guys and let's see what's inside this box. But before that guys, I just want to say thank you to the person who gave this to me. You know who you are, and just want to say thank you so much and God bless you more and more blessings to come. So without further ado guys, let's do unboxing and let's open this box guys. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed to my channel guys, consider to subscribe, like, and share. So keep on watching. So very secure yung kanyang pagkabalot guys. Ano yung ganito? Ayan. So, ito po pala siya, guys. Dalawang box. So, ito po yung laman ng box, guys. So, microphone. Another microphone, guys. So, pero ibang brand naman to, guys. So, buksan natin yung ano niya, yung laman. So, buksan natin, guys. Buksan na natin. Ayan, microphone, condenser, at saka sound card. So, ito yung laman ng box, guys. Dalawang box yung laman ng parcel. So, ibang brand naman to, guys. Tingnan natin. Ano yung kanyang laman? Ayan, so ito siya guys. Ayan, so yan yung laman niya, first box. Ito yung laman niya guys, ng first box. So meron po siyang dalang earphone. Then meron po siyang ayan, kung paano siya gamitin. Ayan siya. Chinese. So, ito yung kanyang maliit lang pala yung kanyang stand. Maliit lang yung kanyang stand. Kaya maliit lang pala yung box. Tapos ito naman yung kanyang wire. Sa ibang brand to guys. Tapos ito pala yung kanyang microphone. So, we'll try this microphone. Kung maganda yung microphone niya guys. Ito naman yung kanyang holder yata to guys. Ayan. So, ibalik natin muna. Balik natin siya guys. So, maya na natin gamitin. Ayan guys, so isunod po natin yung another box. Second box guys. So ito po siya, sound card. BONQ na sound card. So tingnan natin kung ano yung sa loob nito guys. Recording set, sound card. So, ito guys, yung kasama niya. So, meron po siyang cord. Ayan, merong cord, dalawa. Ayan. I believe ito po yung charger. Tapos, ito yung dalawang cord. Tapos, ito po yung kanyang sound card. So, ito po yung kanyang sound card. So, we'll try kung ano yung kalalabasan nito pag ginamit natin siya, guys. So, tapos, meron din siyang manual. Ito din yung kanyang manual. Paano natin siya gamitin. So, ito na yung sound card, guys. At nakita niyo na din yung microphone. So, we'll try this, guys. Once we go live, ayan, ito-try natin to. So, that's all for today's video, guys. So, thank you so much for joining me as I do my unboxing. And once again, thank you so much to the person who gave this. And just like what I say, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, consider to subscribe, like, and share. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video.